In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Slack 5 minutes. If you've ever needed to send a note at the perfect moment, like a reminder that hits a teammate's morning or an update time for a project kickoff, scheduling messages in Slack is a simple way to do it without staying online. Here's how it works from start to finish. First, log into Slack as you normally would. You can use the desktop app or the web version. It works the same either way. Once you're in, open the channel or direct message where you want your note to go. Type your message just like you usually do. You can include formatting, links, and attachments. Everything you add here will be preserved when the message sends later. Now, instead of pressing enter to send, look to the right of the paper plane send icon. You'll see a small drop down arrow. Click that arrow to open the scheduling options. This is where Slack lets you pick when the message should go out. You'll see a few suggested times which are handy for common scenarios, or you can choose custom time to set a specific date and time. Use custom time when you want to coordinate across time zones or match a deadline. Double check the time zone displayed in the scheduler so your message lands when you intend. When your time is selected, review your text one more time. Scheduled messages send automatically at that moment. When you're ready, click schedule message. Slack queues it up and you're done. The message won't appear in the conversation yet. It will post at the exact time you selected. Recipients are notified only when the message is posted, not when you schedule it, so nothing pings early. If you need to make changes, you can manage everything from your sidebar. Click Drafts and Sent to view your scheduled items. From there, open the message to edit the text, reschedule it to a new time, or cancel it entirely if plans change. Any edits you make before the send time will be saved and applied when it posts. That's all you need. Log in, compose in the right place, open the drop-down next to the send icon, pick a suggested or custom time, schedule it, and manage it later from Drafts and Sent. With this workflow, you can write when it's convenient and deliver when it's effective. No alarms or late-night logins required. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.